Welcome to SERU Mock Test 6. In this video we will show you 30 real practice questions from the TFL mock test as part of the SERU assessment. We will read the question for you, then there will be a 10 seconds timer before we give you the correct answer. If you are not ready with the answer in the 10 seconds timer, feel free to pause the video and try to answer yourself. These questions are taken directly from the SERU assessment in 2025. So make sure you watch the video as many times as needed to learn the questions. More videos with different questions will be uploaded in the channel, so don't forget to watch them too. Now let's start with question number 1. What is hire or reward insurance? A. Coverage for personal vehicle use and passenger safety required by TFL. B. Insurance for carrying paying passengers. C. Protection against theft and passenger safety. D. Optional for PHV drivers to use enhanced services as of TFL recommendations. The correct answer is B. Insurance for carrying paying passengers. Question number 2. What must a driver check regarding tires to ensure safety? A. Brand of the tires and the date manufactured as of TFL requirements. B. Color of the tread and date of expiry as of TFL requirements. C. Absence of cuts, bulges, or uneven wear. D. Tire pressure and quality of the tire as per TFL requirements. The correct answer is C. Absence of cuts, bulges, or uneven wear. Question number 3. It is 9 p.m. on Sunday, and private hire drivers are allowed to stop on red routes. When can a PHV driver briefly wait for a passenger for? A. Anytime for up to 5 minutes. B. Not allowed to do this at the time stated. C. Anytime for up to 5 minutes but just for cash point use, for example. D. Only if not on red routes. The correct answer is B. Not allowed to do this at the time stated. Question number 4. Which action is illegal under TFL standards for driver-passenger interaction? A. Declining a fare and not serve the customer as per TFL guidance. B. Engaging in consensual sexual activity with a passenger. C. Reporting suspicious behavior and call the police. D. Assisting a disabled passenger and using your phone on front of the passenger while driving. The correct answer is B. Engaging in consensual sexual activity with a passenger. Question number 5. What must a driver avoid doing outside a licensed operator's office? A. Wearing their PHV badge while driving. B. Picking up unbooked passengers. C. Parking not in designated bays. D. Not using a GPS device and avoid safety. The correct answer is B. Picking up unbooked passengers. Question number 6. What must a driver do if they are added to the adults or children's barred lists? A. Inform TFL within 30 days and report the current passenger. B. Notify their operator, police and TFL as per guidance. C. Report it to TFL immediately as per guidance. D. No action is required but report the passenger to the police if required. The correct answer is C. Report it to TFL immediately as per guidance. Question number 7. What is prohibited for PHVs at electric taxi charging points? A. Dropping off passengers for more than 5 minutes. B. Charging non-taxi vehicles. C. Using bus lanes to charge PHVs. D. Parking after midnight to charge PHVs. The correct answer is B. Charging non-taxi vehicles. Question number 8. Which action is critical to avoid collisions with cyclists? A. Honking at cyclists. B. Checking mirrors and blind spots before turning. C. Driving in bus lanes. D. Ignoring pedestrian crossings. The correct answer is B. Checking mirrors and blind spots before turning. Question number 9. How should a driver communicate fare details to a vision-impaired passenger? A. Text message on the app as of TFL requirements. B. Verbally and by counting coins into their hand. C. Handwritten note as obvious. D. Never ignore the fare and make sure passenger pays if want to exit. The correct answer is B. Verbally and by counting coins into their hand. Question number 10. What should a driver do if a passenger appears to be controlled by another adult? A. Report concerns to the operator and police. B. Offer emergency services immediately. C. Ignore the situation and drive through as this is passenger concerns. D. Confront the adults directly and call police if needed. The correct answer is A. Report concerns to the operator and police. Question number 11. What does reprisal mean in the context of safeguarding? A. A type of parking ticket. B. Retaliation against someone for reporting concerns. C. A medical exemption. D. A vehicle inspection. The correct answer is B. Retaliation against someone for reporting concerns. Question number 12. What must a PHV owner do if the vehicle has a manufacturer-reported fault? A. Continue using the vehicle until TFL contact you directly. B. Follow repair instructions in the TFL manufacturer letter as per guidance. C. Leave the vehicle immediately as safety issue is confirmed. D. Ignore minor issues but report it to TFL immediately as per guidance. The correct answer is B. Follow repair instructions in the TFL manufacturer letter as per guidance. Question number 13. What is a key risk of ride-sharing mentioned in the PhD handbook? A. Increased fuel costs as of multiple stops. B. Passengers learning personal details of others. C. Longer journey times and complaints sent to TFL. D. Higher insurance premiums as well as high personal costs as per TFL guidance. The correct answer is B. Passengers learning personal details of others. Question number 14. What is the purpose of the Safety, Equality and Regulatory Understanding Assessment? A. Test vehicle maintenance skills as per TFL guide. B. Evaluate customer service abilities and safety terms as per TFL guide. C. Confirm English reading writing skills and regulatory knowledge. D. Assess driving speed and all safety terms as per TFL guidance. The correct answer is C. Confirm English reading writing skills and regulatory knowledge. Question number 15. What must a private hire driver do if their vehicle's license plate is damaged while in service? A. Continue driving until the trip is completed and after that report it to TFL as per guidance. B. Immediately stop working and report the damage to TFL for repairs. C. Cover the damaged area with tape temporarily as safety comes first. D. Ignore the damage as long as the plate is partially visible and complete the trip. The correct answer is B. Immediately stop working and report the damage to TFL for repairs. Question number 16. How should a private hire driver handle a situation where a passenger insists on traveling with an unsecured wheelchair? A. Allow the wheelchair to occupy a passenger seat since isn't moving rapidly. B. Refuse the journey unless the wheelchair is properly secured. C. Fold the wheelchair and place it in the boot as per TFL guide. D. Ask the passenger to hold the wheelchair during the ride to ensure safety as per TFL requirements. The correct answer is B. Refuse the journey unless the wheelchair is properly secured. Question number 17. What is the maximum permissible height for a private hire vehicle in London? A. 3 meters. B. 3.5 meters. C. 4 meters. D. 5 meters. The correct answer is B. 3.5 meters. Question number 18. What is the legal requirement for a private hire vehicle's tires? A. They must be changed every 6 months as per TFL guidance. B. Tires need to meet safety standards and changed every 4 months as per guide. C. They must have adequate tread depth and proper inflation. D. There are no specific legal requirements unless the tire is not safe. The correct answer is C. They must have adequate tread depth and proper inflation. Question number 19. What is the penalty for a private hire driver caught using a handheld mobile phone while driving? A. A verbal warning. B. Suspension of their PHV license for 1 month. C. A fine and penalty points on their license. D. No penalty if the driver is on a pre-booked job. The correct answer is C. A fine and penalty points on their license. Question number 20. When driving in fog, what should a private hire driver do? A. Use high-beam headlights for better visibility. B. Drive at normal speed but increase following distance. C. Use dipped headlights and reduce speed. D. Turn off headlights to avoid glare. The correct answer is C. Use dipped headlights and reduce speed. Question number 21. What is the maximum weight a private hire vehicle can legally carry, including passengers and luggage? A. 1,750 kilograms. B. 2,250 kilograms. C. 2,500 kilograms. D. 2,750 kilograms. The correct answer is C. 2,500 kilograms. Question number 22. What is the legal alcohol limit for a private hire driver in London? A. 0%, zero tolerance. B. 0.05%. C. 0.08%. D. 0.1%. The correct answer is A. 0%. Question number 23. What should a driver do if they accidentally take a wrong turn and extend the journey distance? A. Charge the passenger for the extra distance as per TFL guide. B. Apologize, correct the route, and absorb the additional cost. C. Blame the passenger for not providing clear directions and complete the trip. D. Continue driving without acknowledging the error and complete the trip safely. The correct answer is B. Apologize, correct the route, and absorb the additional cost. Question number 24. What should a driver do if a passenger requests a non-legally allowed route, for example, through a pedestrian zone? A. Agree if the passenger insists as this is stated in the PHV handbook. B. Refuse and explain the legal implications. C. Take the route but avoid informing authorities as isn't concerning safety. D. Suggest the passenger walk instead as the safest option. The correct answer is B. Refuse and explain the legal implications. Question number 25. What is the maximum speed limit for a private hire vehicle on a London motorway? A. 60 miles per hour. B. 70 miles per hour. C. 50 miles per hour. D. 40 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. 70 miles per hour. Question number 26. What should a driver do if a child passenger is not using a seatbelt? A. Ignore it if the parent is present and offer alternative transport. B. Politely ask the parent to secure the child and start it in meantime, to avoid further complaints. C. Refuse to start the journey until the child is secured. D. Allow the child to sit on a parent's lap as the safest option. The correct answer is C. Refuse to start the journey until the child is secured. Question number 27. What should a driver do if a passenger requests a stop at a pedestrian crossing? A. Stop briefly on the crossing as quick drop-off is allowed unless waiting. B. Politely refuse and find a safe stopping point nearby. C. Use hazard lights while stopping on the crossing. And make sure there aren't any crossing people at the time. D. Let the passenger out quickly without stopping as quick drop-off is allowed. The correct answer is B. Politely refuse and find a safe stopping point nearby. Question number 28. What must a private hire driver do if their vehicle's insurance does not cover passenger liability? A. Continue driving but avoid taxi ranks. B. Immediately stop working until valid insurance is obtained. C. Only drive during non-peak hours as per TFL requirements. D. Inform passengers verbally about the lack of coverage and ensure safety at all times. The correct answer is B. Immediately stop working until valid insurance is obtained. Question number 29. Where is it illegal for a PHV driver to leave their engine running while parked? A. In a private driveway. B. On a public road. C. In a designated parking bay. D. At an airport pickup zone. The correct answer is B. On a public road. Question number 30. What is the maximum time a PHV driver can wait on a red route for a passenger, using a cash point between 10 p.m. and 6 o'clock? A. 2 minutes. B. 5 minutes. C. 10 minutes. D. 15 minutes. The correct answer is B. 5 minutes. More videos with the latest TFL SERU assessment questions will be uploaded in the channel, so don't forget to watch them too. All of the questions in SERU assessment are based on the PHV handbook, and we recommend you to watch it as many times as possible, so you can pass the assessment smoothly. Link to full PHV handbook training will be left in the description below. Thanks for watching.